Welcome back to LGS Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive design and innovation. Today, we're excited to dive into the 2025 Renault Clio, a stylish and efficient compact hatchback that continues to impress with its blend of modern design and advanced technology. A bold and refined design. The 2025 Renault Clio arrives with a bold new design that seamlessly blends classic hatchback aesthetics with modern styling. Its sleek lines, pronounced wheel arches, and honeycomb structure grille give it a sophisticated and dynamic appearance. The eye-catching LED headlights and taillights add to its modern, aggressive stance, ensuring it stands out on any road. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Clio is powered by Renault's innovative E-Tech hybrid system, featuring a 1.6-liter petrol engine combined with 2 electric motors, producing a total of 140 horsepower. This setup allows the car to operate in electric mode for up to 80% of city driving, making it highly fuel efficient, with consumption as low as 4.3 liters per 100 kilometers. The hybrid Clio does not require plug-in charging. Instead, it regenerates power through braking and deceleration. This hybrid system delivers a dynamic driving experience, offering instant responsiveness during acceleration, making it perfect for both urban and highway driving. Luxurious and high-tech interior step inside the Clio, and you'll find a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials, including leather upholstery and soft-touch plastics, create a premium feel. The spacious interior offers ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, and the rear seats can be folded to create additional cargo space. The centerpiece of the cockpit is the large touchscreen infotainment system, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority for Renault, and the Clio 2025 comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Standard offerings include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add features like blind spot monitoring and a rear-view camera, providing peace of mind for every journey. Eco-friendly and efficient. The Clio is designed with sustainability in mind. The hybrid engine not only reduces emissions, but also offers impressive fuel efficiency, with an estimated 67.3 miles per gallon, making it perfect for urban drivers. The Clio's aerodynamic design and efficient powertrain make it an eco-friendly choice for the environmentally conscious driver without compromising on performance or luxury. The 2025 Renault Clio is more than just a hatchback. It's a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. Stay tuned to LGS Cars for more insights and updates on the latest automotive marvels.